Welcome everybody. In today's video we will show you how to download Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. Basically go to Google and type in Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut and click on enter. After that you can scroll a little bit down. You will see some images of the game and on which platforms they are available. So basically go to Steam, that is my favorite one. You enter the game page. After you have entered the game page, read the information about the game, view some videos on this page. If you like the game, you scroll down and add it to your cart. After you have added to your cart, you simply can click on view my cart. And once you have decided to buy the game, just sign in to purchase this game and go to the checkout page. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments which game you want to see next. See you. Bye bye.